Hello, today we are going to talk about Booleans, and it is often used in programming, and it is basically used when you need to store a value between two, yes or no, on or off, true or false. So in such cases you use a Boolean. So let's see a small code. So I've declared a variable and its data type is bool and its value is true, and here I have given the value false to the second variable, and now I'm going to print the values of these two variables, and now let's see what output I'll get. The first line I'll get the 1, and from this line I'll get the 0. It means that if the value is true, then you are going to get 1. If the value is false, if the variable is false, false is stored in your variable, then you are going to get 0, because it works with 0 or 1, true or false condition. So here you can see the output. It's taking some time. Yes, 1 and 0. So this is how you can use Boolean.